Hi friends, in this video I will show you how to design a project known as IoT enabled atmospheric pressure monitoring system. So the major components that we are using in this project is like a development board, which is Arduino Uno board inbuilt with Atmega 328 microcontroller, and we have designed our own LCD shield which is properly used to draw out the analog and digital pins for connecting different sensors, and power supply is there with 2-pin connector. And then the other major component is like sensor, atmospheric pressure sensor. So this is the atmospheric pressure sensor which we are using in this particular project, which is of 4 pin size, which can be connected through using these pins, which can be connected using either female to female or male to female wire connectors. So once the data is read by this particular microcontroller, we are trying to post the data onto the cloud using this particular GSM board as a gateway, which is inbuilt with SIM card, which is inbuilt with the data balance for establishing HTTP connection to the cloud. And to power up this particular GSM board, we are using 12 volts adapter, and the other end will be properly connected to the main supply. And for connecting this particular sensor, for connecting this particular GSM board to the Arduino Uno, we are using a 3-wire connector, which is a simple 3-wire connector, which can be connected to this particular J7 on GSM board, and the other end will be connected to ground TX and RX on the LCD shield. And for programming this microcontroller or programming this Arduino Uno, we use a USB to D-type connector cable, where D-type will be fit into Arduino Uno, and whereas the USB will properly go into the laptop. And then these are the basic connections that we are going to use, like represented as A4 and A5 pins. On this particular LCD shield, there are 5 different analog pins, A0 to A5, and these representation SDA and SCL for data and clock is on the pressure sensor, and the remaining 2 are related to the power supply, where we are using 5 volts power supply for this particular sensor. And then these pins connections are used to connect this particular Arduino board to the gateway known as GSM, where ground will be connected to ground and RX and TX will be twisted for proper communication, and data will be pushed into the cloud. Thank you.